Hello everyone, welcome back to another travel video on my channel. So this time I'm heading out to the Chicagoland area first for to see Wrigleyville first, since I wanted to visit that, and also for the Vintage Computer Festival, which they have in the Chicago suburbs every year. So I went last year. I went the year before this in 2023, very briefly, and I decided to spend a little bit more time here in 2024. So I went there again for that, and then from there I went up to Milwaukee, Wisconsin, and walked around downtown and had a nice time there. And then from there I went into Davenport, Iowa. I touched base in Iowa for the first time and went to Davenport. Had a good time in all these places, so I hope you enjoy the video. This is the last one from 2024 for traveling, but I got more for 2025, so stay tuned for those. Thanks for watching. time for my thoughts and impressions on this trip. So, would I visit Wrigleyville? Oh yeah. If I were you, I would definitely visit Wrigleyville. Just about anywhere in Chicago was amazing. Particularly like, you know, the downtown area. Because I've been there before as well. But yeah, I would definitely visit Wrigleyville. It's a fun time. It's cool, especially if you're going to a Chicago Cubs game or, you know, you like bars and restaurants and the nightlife type of thing. But it's also neat to see everything down there as well, just to be there and experience it. So, as for Vintage Computer Festival, yeah, I mean, if you like computers and you like vintage computers and old technology and all that kind of stuff, yeah, definitely check out Vintage Computer Festival Midwest. They have it every year in Chicago, the Chicago suburbs. It's still a free event as of 2025, and they have over 300,000 visitors to the show this past year at least, and it's growing every year. So yeah, if you enjoy that, definitely check it out. As far as Milwaukee goes, yeah, I would check out Milwaukee. It's a cool Midwestern city, very walkable. There's a nice waterfront there on off of Lake Michigan. It's cool to see, and I would definitely check it out. I give Milwaukee probably about a B minus for a bigger city. As for Davenport, Iowa, I would probably skip out on Davenport, Iowa, unless you're someone that's absolutely got to see everything that's to see in the state. If I was going to Iowa, I would probably visit Des Moines instead, so you can see like the state capital and a bigger city and things like that. But yeah, I would skip out on Davenport if I was to go to Iowa for the first time. However, Antique Archaeology, which was kind of a surprise they put in at the end of this video, which is actually in LeClaire, which is right next to Davenport. I would definitely check that out, especially if you like antiques and things like that, or if you want to see the place that's been on TV featured in the show American Pickers, obviously. I would definitely check that out too. I enjoyed being there and seeing the things that I saw on TV, and it's a special experience when you're in a place that's been featured in a TV show so many times. So yeah, I would definitely check that out too. But that's going to be it for this one. If you have any questions or comments, please ask. Thanks, and see you in the next one.